It happened on a Monday.
1G XPON ONU is the device widely used in APTTEK project in the world. APTTEK 1G ONU is compatible with most famous OLT brands like Huawei ZTE. APTTEK Technology Corporation Limited is manufactured in Shenzhen, China since 2004. It can provide fiber optical field equipment including GPON ONU OLT, media converters, LSFP, switches, and so on. If you are searching for a new organized, reliable supply and factory, or if you want to cooperate with the factory directly to deepen quality inspection and seeking for cloud support, or if you are not satisfied with quality and service of your previous supplier, please contact with us.